If you are aiming for a critical skills employment permit in Ireland, this video is essential. One small misunderstanding can cost you the fastest route to stamp 4. The Critical Skills Employment Permit or CSEP is one of the most powerful work permits in Ireland. It is designed for highly skilled roles that Ireland actively wants to retain long term. But despite being called critical, many applications fail because people misunderstand eligibility. Let's break down the full process clearly. Step 1 is role eligibility. Your job must either be on the critical skills occupations list or meet the higher salary threshold for non-listed roles. Titles alone do not matter. The duties must match what the department recognizes as critical skills as well. If your role does not meet either category, the application will be refused regardless of your experience or salary. Step 2 is salary. If your role is on the critical skills list, you must meet the 38,000 threshold set for the occupation. It's going to increase in March, so keep an eye on for that. If it is not on the list, you must meet the higher salary threshold, which is 68,000. Only basic salary counts. Bonuses, commissions, benefits, allowances or overtime do not count. Even being €1 below the threshold leads to refusal. Step 3 is employer eligibility. Your employer must be registered in Ireland, tax compliant, registered with revenue and actively trading. The 50-50 EEA non-EEA staffing rule matters for CSEP as well. Your employer must be compliant and genuine with this. Step 4 is the contract. The employment contract must be for at least 2 years. Shorter contracts do not qualify for CSEP. The job also must be full-time and directly employed by the Irish entity. Step 5 is submitting the application. Under the employment permits online system, the employer starts the application, completes their section, uploads the company documents, and once they've submitted, the employee can then start the application. It will be visible on their drafts using their employment permits online portal. Both sections must be completed accurately or the application will not proceed. Step 6 is processing. The department reviews eligibility, salary, duties and employer compliance. Clarifications may be requested from the employer. If approved, you receive your critical skills employment permit. If you're outside Ireland, you also need to apply for a long stay visa to come to Ireland. If you're already in Ireland, you just need to register your permission on the ISD portal. After 2 years on CSEP, you can apply for stamp 4, making this one of the fastest long-term pathways. If you do not live in Ireland or are not planning to move here, this video is not for you. The page is created for people already living in Ireland who need clarity on immigration, work permits and other immigration applications. Every situation is unique and some cases may require one-on-one consultation. I've created this page because throughout my own journey, there were too many grey areas and no clear explanations online. Follow along for updates, news and clear explanations on other immigration applications.